Chilli. Today we are going to make a recipe with eggs. It's called egg lollipops, and here it is how we go about making the recipe. This is all-purpose flour or maida, into which I am adding about 2 teaspoons of corn flour, a bit of salt, just a little bit, red chili powder. This is not the spicy one, just to add in some color. Soya sauce, the dark one. Now I am going to make a thick batter out of it. The batter needs to be thick enough to coat these eggs, because we are going to fry these egg halves into hot oil. But before that, we are going to take a teaspoon of hot oil and put it into it. We are taking a spoonful of hot oil and putting into it, so that when we fry these egg halves, it does not absorb too much of oil. We will fry it on high flame because the eggs are already cooked. We will not disturb them unless it is fried properly on one side, and then very gently overturn it. And before we overturn it, I am going to splash some oil on this. And one more thing I would like to tell you, please take egg halves or egg quarters, because if you take egg as a whole and fry, there's a chance of a kitchen accident. You might burn yourself. So I would suggest take halves or quarters and very gently turn it. It should be nice stuff on the outer side. And this is how the egg dumplings look like once they are out of the kadhai. And now the next step that we are going to do is make the masala or the gravy for it. I am going to take 2 tablespoons of oil from the oil in which I have fried my dumplings. And since it is hot, I am going to put in some green chilies and let it splutter. And now I am going to add in a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. To this I am adding in about 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, some pepper powder, some soya sauce, tomato ketchup, and just to make sure that the masala doesn't get burnt, I am going to add a little bit of water. I will now let the masala cook for just a few seconds and add in the egg dumplings into it. Give it a stir. Here I am going to add in a tablespoon of the gravy. Soya sauce and tomato ketchup itself has sauce in it. And just for a personal touch, I am adding in some sauteed capsicum and onion. This is just optional, totally upon you whether you like to add it or not. Otherwise, you can just keep this this with roti or rice, and even serve it as a starter.
जरा जरा अभी बातें शुरू ही हुई, मगर खुश हूँ मैं आजकल। अभी तलक मेरी शामें तो ऐसी न थी जैसे हल्की है आजकल। क्या है ये माजरा, कुछ तो है मिल रहा, या फिर मैं ही बस मन ही मन किस्से बनाने लगा। ऐसे क्यों, क्यों, हाँ क्यों, तू कुछ बोले ना। ऐसे क्यों, हाँ क्यों, हाँ क्यों, तू कुछ बोले ना।